Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change seats on Flixbus. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flixbus account or your application, which of course I've done right here. Now, how can you get Flixbus? Pretty simple. You can get it on Apple Store or Google Play Store. Launch any of the applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar of the application, go ahead and type in Flixbus and follow through the on-screen prompt for you to download and install. After downloading and installing successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Flixbus. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to change seats on Flixbus. From this homepage, head over to the bottom corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple icons representing diverse features, which include booking, ticket, stops, and more. So go ahead and click on tickets, and that's going to take you into this fantastic tickets window. Now, I do not have any booking, so I have no ticket. This is where you can manage your tickets and your bookings. So if you want to change your seat, go ahead and select the ticket that you want to change the seat on. And once you select the ticket, at the bottom corner of that page, or the bottom right corner of that ticket, you're going to find the three dots menu. Select on the three dots menu. And once you select that, you're going to see some options. And from those options, go ahead and click on cancel/change trip. Once you click on cancel/change trip, it's going to take you to another window where you have further options. Now, the options you're going to find include reserve and change seat, add baggage, change departure date and time, cancel trip, edit and remove passenger. So select reserve and change seat. Once you select reserve and change seat, it's going to take you to another window where you can now change your seat, the seat that you have previously booked. And once you change the seats, you can now follow through with the process for you to reserve the new seat that you changed. Now, the on-screen prompts are actually self-explanatory, and all the instructions they're going to give you are actually self-explanatory. But once you click on reserve and change seat, then the next steps you're going to take is to just change your seat and reserve the new seat, and that's going to be it. Additional charges may apply or may not apply. All right, so that's pretty much the process. So click on reserve and change seat to change your seat on Flixbus. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.